Imagine storing hydrogen efficiently thanks to a new carbon nanotube synthesis method. Sounds futuristic? It's happening now. Researchers have developed a microwave-assisted method to synthesize multi-walled carbon nanotubes, or MWCNTs, with aryl functionalization. This innovative approach not only enhances the efficiency of MWCNT production, but also improves their hydrogen storage capabilities. By using microwave energy, the process is faster and more sustainable. These breakthroughs are crucial for future clean energy solutions, paving the way for better hydrogen fuel storage. Stay tuned for more exciting updates in the world of nanotechnology.